Welcome to Section 5 of our Viral Marketing video training. In this section, we'll talk about profiting from affiliate offers, profiting from Google AdSense, and profiting from content marketing platforms. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Profiting from affiliate offers. Affiliate marketing, for those unfamiliar with the term, is a form of marketing that pays advertisers for performance. In this case, performance refers to when an advertiser drives customers through a sales funnel to make a purchase from a vendor. There are two parties involved in affiliate marketing, publishers and advertisers. Publishers are the vendors of the product in need of promotion, and advertisers are the people advertising the product in order to drive sales. Publishers delegate the marketing aspect of their business to advertisers in exchange of a fee paid to the advertisers based on a percentage of the base price of the product. For example, you can dedicate a section of your viral website to Amazon products. You can create a separate post for certain products, redirect visitors to the Amazon product page, and get paid every time someone makes a purchase. It works as easy as that. The only thing you need to do is sign up for an affiliate program online and start profiting. Viral marketing is a great way to market products to sell through affiliate channels because it spreads quickly and is cost-effective. People will promote your product for you just like they would promote a piece of viral content. Here are some of the best affiliate channels to deliver great viral marketing campaigns. CPA. CPA is short for cost per acquisition or cost per action, where an acquisition refers to a new client acquired for a business and an action refers to an action initiated by a customer, such as making a purchase or signing up for a service. Each product or service offered is known as a CPA offer and can only be accessed through CPA networks. CPA networks are where advertisers can sign up to get access to CPA offers to promote. Among the most popular networks are Max Bounty and Peerfly. Amazon. Amazon.com has an awesome affiliate program called Amazon Associates. You can sign up for the program to start promoting Amazon products on your page. Payout rates start at 4% and go up to 8% for each product a customer buys when referred from your site. Simply link to the products on Amazon through a well-presented post and get ready to make a buck. ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the most popular affiliate marketplaces on the internet, with more than 17 years of experience in the affiliate niche. It has a library of over 6 million products and a customer base of over 200 million people around the world. Sign up as a digital marketer to start promoting products from the ClickBank catalog and start earning commissions as high as 75%. Choose the products that you want to sell, get paid on time, and develop partnerships to increase your income. JVZoo. JVZoo is another highly profitable affiliate marketplace that provides the network, the tools, and the essential solutions to build a successful internet business. JVZoo offers affiliates instant payments, secure payment plan options, a sales funnel generator, and seamless integration to incorporate everything you need to operate in one place.